BangerlyOptionsStrategy.com.
Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming May 11th trading week. And as you can see, we have the economic calendar in front of you. Monday's going to be pretty quiet. We have an interest rate decision out of Britain, so obviously we feel that it's all about the FTSE and the pound on Monday. Tuesday has manufacturing production out of Britain, but truthfully, by the time we get to there, we will have seen several decisions made about the pound and the FTSE itself. So really not too excited about Tuesday as far as action is concerned. But as we get into Wednesday, a ton of announcements for us though. The Chinese industrial production numbers will give us a risk on, risk off type of situation. GDP out of the Eurozone. German GDP comes out, so very Euro and Eurozone stock centric day. Claim account change out of Britain might carry a little bit of weight in the FTSE and the pound, but I still think that the after effects will be felt from the interest rate decision. Thursday, very quiet except for PPI out of the US. That's when the Americans get involved, perhaps the stock markets. The Friday session on May 15th, relatively balanced. Michigan consumer sentiment could move the stock markets in America, but should be a relatively calm day. Now with that, let's take a look at some charts. You can see that the British pound has had a pretty good week here as we're testing the 1.55 level. Above there, we believe that the market starts the long road higher. It's probably going to take months, if not a couple years, but eventually we will probably go back to the way things have been for a very long time. Very difficult to tell how it happens. Expect a lot of volatility, but we like buying calls on pullbacks in the British pound. Looking at the FTSE, you can see we initially fell, but found enough support down at the 6,800 level to turn things back around and form a hammer. And as you can see, the hammer ended up forming a pretty significant supportive sign as the market should continue to go higher. Ultimately, if we can break the top of the couple candles here from the previous weeks, we think at that point in time, at about 7,100, the FTSE can continue to go much higher. We also buy pullbacks. We think there's plenty of support. Gold markets had a slightly positive week, but as you can see, the markets should continue to bounce around the 1200 level as the market will certainly find a lot of support and resistance at that level, as it is a large round number, and it is a bit like fair value really is the only way to look at it. So we think we probably go there. Getting above there is going to be a struggle. Getting above 1220 most certainly will. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming week.
BangerlyOptionsStrategy.com.